Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access About tablet. Now choose Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK in the pop-up to save your name. Then click on OK in the other one about visibility to confirm your choice. As you can see after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!